this is the YJ Jinjiao Concave 3x3, and I originally got this back on Christmas of 2022, and when I got it, at first I kind of dismissed it as just like some novel thing to have just because of its concave shape and pastel color scheme, but once I started turning it, I actually felt like it was honestly pretty good at first, so I decided to magnetize it. Here's a time lapse on how I did that. After that and all, I decided to set it up to my liking with, I'll put the loop combination up here because I don't remember it off the top of my head. But after that, it was honestly pretty good. When testing, I did end up having to put in more magnets because the original set of magnets I had in here weren't that strong enough, but now it's honestly pretty good and it actually keeps it pretty stable. So I think with that, let's do an average on this cube. Kind of really struggled to get a good average on this cube. Despite it feeling really good and forming well while I was doing some like turns like this or like doing algorithms, I wasn't really able to get a good average whatsoever with this cube because of how old this is and like how it is intended to be just a, I guess, a cube that you're not really gonna actually speed solve on, despite it being really well performing for like casual speed solving. Because of how bad the corner cutting is, like, not to get me wrong, like, it does corner cut pretty okay. During solves, I lock up a lot, and because of that, I'm not able to, like, whenever I try to do algorithms or even try to, like, finish F12 or do, like, OLL, or even on PLLs, I would lock up so much, and it would literally cost me, like, a few seconds in solves, or maybe even worse, like, 10 seconds and things like that. And because of the pastel color scheme, like, although it looks pretty good, like, it looks easy on the eyes, it is also not really that great for recognition. Like, I would insert F12 pairs wrong a lot. I think the grip is honestly pretty good, and it actually makes other cubes feel a bit pillowed for some reason. I honestly don't know the exact reason why. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.